Aloha and welcome to Holo Holo Charters. Holo Holo means to explore, to travel, and to go. We invite you to go the distance with us on a once-in-a-lifetime adventure. Seize the adventure today on one of our 4 custom Kauai-built boats that will get you to the fun faster, so you can have more time to snorkel, sightsee, relax, and enjoy the pristine waters and spectacular cliff lines of the Napali Coast and Hawaii's forbidden island of Niihau. Holo Holo Charters is the only boat company to offer this all-inclusive tour daily. After you adventure up the majestic Napali Coast, we will head across the channel to Niihau's north shore for some world-class snorkeling at Lehua Crater, a small crescent-shaped island that is home to one of the best snorkeling locations in all of Hawaii, with its pristine reefs, unique underwater lava formations, and abundant sea life. On this exclusive tour, you will get to see the forbidden island of Niihau and Napali Coast in one amazing day. Come see why this is National Geographic's favorite place to photograph.
A special mahalo to Jim Kima West